From the inventor of the mechanical keyboard switch comes a new spectrum of feel, created with the community, inspired by the pursuit of perfection. The lightest mechanical switch we've ever made, MX Blossom, light as a breath, effortless in motion. And our smoothest ever MX Northern Light, dampened, precise, flowing like the aurora. Our first silent tactile MX Honey, crisp feedback without the noise. For pure tactile snap, the MX Falcon, a bold tribute to retro keyboards and the punch of typewriters. And then there is Grace, MX Petal, our most refined tactile yet, a softer curve, flowing like the unfurling of a flower. Typing feel is an art. Cherry, find yours.